Rolling.
Here, let me hold the side that's already loose. Here we go. That way it kind of gets me going. You got it?
Yeah.
And you're quick.
Just a little pin right here to knock it out. Yeah, I got it ready.
Oh, you didn't get
The pin. I don't want it.
the little cable.
Yeah,
I got videos on how to take all this stuff apart if anybody's interested. You know, I got a YouTube engine rebuild series, including rod main bearings, and taking all this stuff apart one piece at a time. Pretty detailed video, so I'm not gonna try to repeat myself. All right, let's put it over here out of the way. Whoa, watch out. Let's put it over here out of the way. Cut. Yeah, just unscrew that. Make sure it's clean up there. Make sure no dirt's gonna get in it.
Double check for me.
Pretty good, yeah, it's just clean up here, so wipe it out good, yeah.
Ah, you gotta open it for me. Yeah. Okay. Not even you.
There you go. So, yeah, go ahead and drain your oil into it.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. We'll drain all the oil into this thing and we'll hold it, we'll keep it there until we're ready to put it back in. It's a little darker down here. Yeah, just open this cap so it can breathe. There you go. Cut.
Rolling.
Alright, so what'd you find?
What I got under here is just like raw. Got a little video about all the wire exposed. I saw my black, the ground
wire, yeah, for the engine.
Is about like this much exposed the copper.
Okay, could you show that to her?
Follow my finger. Where is it? Right here.
You see it?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
Yep,
So
got it.
maybe we'll have to help you fix that.
Yeah.
That's pretty common for these Pro Stars though.
Bad though.
Yeah, you need to fix it. But water won't get in anyway. You just seal that out. So just put it all the way back past where you got to go. Way back. Way back there.
Oof.
Yep.
Rolling.
You need a paint pen. And what you want to do, if you want to see this under here, maybe you can get this with the camera. You see right here where I'm pointing with my little pointy stick you found me? You see right here you got a stud instead of a bolt and a stud. What you want to do is you want to mark the block, the engine block, just above the oil pan right here. Anywhere where there's a stud or a bracket, here, take it, put a mark. Put a mark on the engine block up there above that stud so you know where the studs go. Because there's studs in certain places on this thing. You want to put them back where they were.
I got what you mean.
Instead of bolts.
Stud.
Yeah, and there's a stud in the next one.
Stud.
Yeah.
In the front I got a lot of stud too.
Okay, well mark the block. Like you can mark the engine block right here on the outside. On the outside. You got to mark it above the pan because you're going to repaint your pan. So your pan's in bad shape. You need to repaint it. So go ahead and do all that. Cut.
Number 2, I'm doing. I can drop the pan with my oil needle way in there.
Huh?
I can drop the oil pan with my oil needle out there.
Yeah, but it's full of oil still, so.
Oh, there's still oil in there?
Yeah, there's a lot of oil in it still. Here.
Rolling.
All right. There's about a gallon of oil or half gallon of oil or so in the top of this pan up there in that catch tray up there. So you're gonna have to leave that up high, and this end's got to come down first.
I got it.
So that it can drain into the bottom end of this. Otherwise, it's gonna be a big mess back there. So you need to hold that up.
Yes, sir.
And while we take this one out.
Yes, sir.
All right, you got 2 screws on this thing.
I tried to put on 2 corners so your big can go in there. I know that what you try to do later.
Yeah, watch your leg so I can get this one over here. You got all of these 2 in the front?
Here, Rob.
Yeah, you just have 2 screws in the front here.
One stud red and one stud on the side.
All right, let me get this side.
Yeah.
All right, this side is out.
Okay.
Put it in the baggie so we don't lose it. All right.
Yeah, make this easier.
I can do it with my fingers.
Okay.
All right.
That stud.
You got that back out? No.
No, it's still on. All
right, here.
I have my hand holding up here. Don't worry.
Here. We get this side out.
Okay. And I have to run.
All right.
Sit on my knee.
The last stud is out. I'm holding it up. You got it on your knee?
I get it on my knee.
Okay, well that's good too.
Yeah, I told you.
All right.
So you know what? You want me to wait for you?
Take that stud out.
No, it's not a stud. It's a bolt. Take it out.
Take it out, yeah. Go ahead and take the last one out.
Wait, I have to hold the oil pan on this side.
Yeah, you gotta hold it up. It's not real heavy on that end.
Yeah, but okay, let's stay in the corner right here. So I need to extend the rigid and take the bolt out.
Yeah. Take it out.
I'm messy, y'all. Take that. Let me see. Okay.
You got it out?
Yeah.
Take it out completely. All the bolts are out.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
lower this end down. My end down first.
Oh, one.
Let this end down. Keep your end up. Let this end come down. There we go. All the way down.
All the way out.
Yeah, all the way down. There you go. There you go. The oil's out of the top. It ran down in here, so you're good. Alright, that's it. That's the pan. Now, I would suggest taking off the oil pickup tube before we try to get the pan out from under here,
Okay.
so that it gets out of the way. Otherwise, you're going to be hitting this thing and you might damage the bottom, or sometimes you can't even get the pan out without taking them off.
How do we take it off?
It's just normal to take this pickup tube out. It's 3 bolts. I believe it's 2 bolts. It's 2 bolts. I think they're 15s or something. There's one there and there's one there. So get your ratchet, take those 2 bolts out, and then we'll take the pickup tube off. Cut.